When you ask ChatGPT to explain AI pipelines, it doesn't search for answers like a human. Instead, it predicts words intelligently. From the moment you input your prompt, a series of steps begins: tokenization, transformer neural networks, pattern prediction, generation, and a final response. This is the core idea. Understanding how ChatGPT processes text step by step matters because each phase impacts its ability to generate coherent content. If any stage is broken down improperly, responses may falter or come across as disjointed. This journey begins uniquely, starting with you entering a prompt that propels the entire sequence into motion. Before we dive in, here is the big picture of step-by-step tutorial for AI content generation. When you type, "explain AI pipelines," ChatGPT does not search a hidden database for an exact answer. Think like a human, understand meaning perfectly. Instead, it predicts the next most likely word very intelligently. Big picture your prompt. Entering a prompt serves as the first action in this process. This exact phrase becomes input for ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT approaches it differently than humans do. It uses a unique methodology to parse the text, dissecting it efficiently to ready itself for processing the incoming information effectively. Think of entering a prompt like building a Lego model. Each input serves as individual blocks that, when assembled, create a coherent structure. Once you enter your request, the AI breaks it down into these smaller pieces, allowing it to work on the components individually and construct a response effectively from the ground up. Next, tokenization occurs, separating your prompt into manageable pieces called tokens. For instance, a sentence like "How does AI content generation work?" gets transformed into a list of tokens, such as "How does AI content generation work?" This transformation allows ChatGPT to process information more clearly and systematically. An often overlooked step in the process is converting these tokens into numbers, known as embeddings. This conversion is crucial because it helps the AI understand meanings and contexts, allowing it to group similar words together. By doing this, the model can improve its predictions and better construct its responses based on nuanced understanding. A real-world application illustrates this concept of embeddings nicely. For instance, Google's large language models utilize embeddings to cluster related words together. This means words like king are positioned close to queen and dog near puppy. This strategic grouping enhances contextual understanding, allowing AI to provide richer and more accurate outputs. Understanding embeddings plays a critical role in AI performance. This underlying structure allows ChatGPT to reason effectively and generate detailed, relevant responses. By categorizing language in this manner, the AI can significantly improve how it serves users, resulting in more intuitive and connected outputs when communicating. Next, we'll delve into the transformer architecture, the true powerhouse behind AI responses. Knowing how transformers work will deepen your understanding of how ChatGPT generates meaningful and accurate content in response to your prompts. Transformers revolutionized AI with an attention mechanism, determining which words matter most in a given context. For example, consider the phrase "the bank near the river." The model utilizes context to decipher the true meaning of bank, honing in on surrounding words to discern whether it refers to a money institution or a river. Today, take the action of applying this knowledge. Input a relevant prompt into ChatGPT and observe firsthand how transformers and embeddings contribute to improving response quality. Your engagement in this process transforms abstract concepts into tangible experiences. For more insights on AI content generation, follow for the next concept. Each lesson builds on the last, making complex topics accessible and easier to digest for everyone intrigued by AI technology.